Is the Series 60 in your truck losing power, misfiring, showing signs of poor fuel economy? It may be time to replace the fuel injectors in your Detroit Diesel Series 60. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Install these fuel injectors for the Detroit Diesel Series 60 from Highway and Heavy Parts. Fuel injectors are key to a properly functioning engine, ensuring that the combustion process happens as it should, improving fuel consumption and meeting emissions regulations. At Highway and Heavy Parts, you'll get Detroit Diesel Series 60 injectors rebuilt to OEM specifications, ensuring the quality and consistency you need in your Series 60. When our injector cores are rebuilt, they're taken apart, cleaned thoroughly, and inspected for damage. Each injector has a new nozzle opening pressure spring, nozzle control valve, and electrical connector to ensure maximum lifespan for your Series 60. In the case of the rebuilt injectors we sell, rigorous testing ensures that each injector meets OEM standards and will run like the day it was first manufactured. And don't forget to check out HHP's wide selection of diesel engine parts, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road with Highway and Heavy Parts. Backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts, America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier.